heart to me. We love Rosemary's toys, we can do it. Remember, nothing is impossible. Blessings and love to you, my beautiful friends.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Rosemary Toys. Yay! I hope everyone is doing well, my friends. This video is so special because this is the last video of this year 2025, my friends, and also we're going to continue to decorate our scrapbook, and this time we're going to make 2 of them. Yay, my friends! I'm so happy and so grateful for all your support to me. Every comment means a lot to me, my friends. I wish you all the best, all success, health, love. Happy New Year, my friends. And remember, keep your face always towards to the sunshine, and the shadows will fall behind you, my friends. Nothing is impossible to God. I'm so happy for your friendship, my friends. I wish you all the best. I love you so much. All blessings for your family, for your friends, for your loved ones. Please take care and see you next time, my friends. Happy New Year with love, Rosemary Toys. Yay! Hola amigos hermosos, bienvenidos a este espacio de Rosemary Toys. Yay! Amigos, espero que estén bien. Este video es muy especial. Este last video es el último video de este año de 2025. Con mucho cariño, mucho amor, vamos a hacer lo que son 2 videitos. Continuando nuestro scrapbook, nuestra decoración de nuestro libro de creatividad. Espero que les guste con mucho cariño y deseo todo lo mejor para este nuevo año de 2026. Mucho amor, mucha salud, mucha prosperidad, aunque estén bien ustedes, sus seres queridos, y nunca se den por vencidos. Recuerden, nada es imposible para Dios. Gracias por todo su cariño. Para mí es muy importante cada comentario que me dejan. No saben, es muy especial, mucho valor para mí. Deseo todo lo mejor. Los quiero muchísimo. Feliz año nuevo. Y sigamos viéndonos, amigos lindos. Los quiero. Deseo todo lo mejor. Con amor, Rosemary Toys.
Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get under the moonlight we stride, secrets tucked in from the tide, whispers echo in the air, love hidden everywhere. Stars above play hide and seek, moments worth more than we speak. Your hands warmth, a gentle call, hearts beating soft through it all. Moonlight whispers under skies, tangled dreams and loving sighs. Nighttime shadows dance around, in our silence love is found. Night I'll sing your lullaby,
Underneath this starlit sky, silent promises we keep, dreams like waves so wide and deep. Echoes fade into the dawn, stars retreat, the magic's drawn. You and I in twilight's glow, through these whispers love will grow. Moonlight whispers under skies, tangled dreams and loving sighs. Nighttime shadows dance around, in our silence love is found.